Mr. Conductor. Where were you? My wife said she couldn't miss our little holiday. We'll telephone to make sure you have arrived. Signed, Sir Topham Hat. Sir Topham Hat. Where were you?
Oh, good afternoon, sir. A real honor, sir, like my family before me. And how is Lady Hat? Yes. Watch out for Diesel, definitely. Keep an eye on Henry's health, certainly. Yes, sir, the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic. I mean, I will be responsible, reliable, and really useful. Yes, sir. We will all get a good night's sleep. Looking forward to a hard day tomorrow. Goodbye, sir.